Hello everyone, my name is Safura Zohari, family nurse practitioner with 20 years experience as an RN. I'm pleased to tell you I joined to your professional group in home health care, California, with the management of Dr. Turabian as a DON, Director of Nursing. And my background as a nurse was ER, CCU, 7 years experience as instructor for nursing and midwifery student. A couple of years experience as an RN in multiple home health care. 9 years experience in outpatient surgical center, interventional GI in UCI and Hoag, and pain management. My current job is working as a GI nurse and a pain management clinician. In addition to my job as a DON, I will manage the continuing education program for the staff, and very soon you are going to get the email from me and actually I'm happy to just announce Dr. Turabian. She just provide the very educational website HCP Home Care Pulse, which has more than 400 different topics for home health care, and I will choose the most topic is common and practical for the staff. For the first topic, we choose the OSs, which is section by section OSs, and at the end this will be like 5 hours continuing education. I suggest to start your C courses as soon as you get the email, and at the end of every course you need to take the quiz and get the certification. I will monitor the certification and collect them. You need to just have 12 hours C as required for the staff with different topic. And after the OSs, we will send the different topic for each month, and the other topic will be like 1 hour CE for yourself. You can make the copy for the your record as when you get the certification, and I will monitor and let you know if you need to just do the continue education before the end of the year. Please just reply as when you get the email from me, and if you have any question, just let me know, or if you need to talk to me, please call the office and I will manage to call you back as soon as I can. Have a good day, and thank you for listening to me.